In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically send a Salesforce report to anyone. By the end, you'll have a hands-free email that keeps your stakeholders updated on a reliable schedule. First, log into your Salesforce account and make sure you're in Lightning Experience. This tutorial uses Lightning's modern interface. If your company uses multiple environments, confirm you're in the right one before proceeding. Next, open the app launcher, the grid icon in the top left, and in the search bar type Reports. Click Reports to open the Reports home. Think of a report as a live view into your Salesforce data. It pulls records that match your filters, groups them if needed, and shows totals or summaries. Because reports read directly from your data, they stay up to date without manual exports. Find and open the report you want to send automatically. Choose the one your audience needs to see on a regular basis, such as a pipeline summary, new leads this week, or open cases by priority. Once it's open, click Edit. This lets you quickly confirm columns, filters, and timeframes. It's worth taking a moment here to make sure the report only includes what recipients should see. Now, click Subscribe. This opens the scheduling panel where you'll define when and how the report is delivered. Start by setting the frequency. Choose daily, weekly, or monthly based on how often the information changes and how often your audience needs it. For weekly or monthly schedules, pick the exact day that makes sense for your workflow, like Mondays to kick off the week, or the first day of the month for monthly roll-ups. Set the delivery time next. Salesforce uses your personal time zone, so select a time that aligns with when your recipients are most likely to act, or after any overnight data loads complete. Early morning deliveries are common, so the report is waiting in inboxes at the start of the day. If needed, attach a file to the subscription email, such as a brief guidance document or a template that helps people use the data. Keep attachments small and relevant, and note that your admin settings may limit what can be attached or whether a .csv of the results is included. Choose who runs the report by clicking Me. The running user's permissions control what data is included, so confirm that your access level reflects exactly what recipients should receive. This is important for maintaining data security and preventing oversharing. Finally, click Save. Your subscription is now active and will deliver automatically according to your schedule. You can return to subscribe anytime to adjust timing, recipients your org allows, or report settings as priorities change. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.